Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to this channel. We are just on a little walk slash little hike to Crawford Falls here in Kelowna, and just from where we parked our car right now, walking up to actually the trailhead. The view is phenomenal. We have an amazing weather with it. It's I think 26 degrees or something, and you can just see the Okanagan Lake right there. I mean, right there. So this is basically the little cul-de-sac here, and then right there you get to the trail. So there's not really much parking up here, so you just really have to try your luck, or you walk a couple more minutes until you find a spot. There is quite a lot of like roadside parking, so that's not as bad. But yeah, there's not really a designated parking spot if you're looking for one. Temperature is actually pretty good as soon as you're in the shade, but as soon as you're out in the sun, it starts burning quite a bit already. But it's a very beautiful little walk here right now. Okay, so we're in like about 45 minutes now. We're just chilling out on the waterfall and whatnot. And now we have to go all the way back up where we came down from. And that's probably going to be the most exhausting part now. But what we realized was that we forgot our bathing suits, because what we did not realize as well is that we actually could have done a little dip there. But that's just a reason to come back, right? Yeah, I'm already out of breath, but I'm really thankful that most of the trail here is actually in the shade, so you can't feel the hot sun so much. Oh, here, wait, look at this view. You can even see like Okanagan over there, just a little canyon. Super pretty. So the climb up was actually not too bad. I'm still out of breath. However, I was threatening that it would be worse. It was overall now about 37 minutes. So beforehand I actually looked at my average pace, not the actual duration. So yeah, it's about half an hour, 45 minutes, depending how long you want to chill out down at the waterfall. But yeah, still trying to catch my breath here. Okay, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you didn't do it yet, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked this little trip, and then we will see each other in the next video. Cheers!